Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system so updates can install without interruptions. Free at least 10% or 20 GB of disk space. Windows stalls when space is low. Plug the laptop into power and use Ethernet if possible, because stable connectivity reduces retries and timeouts. Once done, pause or close background apps and disable sleep. This prevents restarts mid-install and file locks. These steps reduce errors and let the installer use full resources, so updates complete faster. Once the basics are set, optimize the update pipeline to avoid stalls. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter if you see errors. It clears common corruption and resets services. Make sure to temporarily disable third-party antivirus and any VPN, because they can slow file extraction and network throughput. Then, manually download and install large cumulative updates from Settings or Microsoft Catalog. Handling big packages first prevents multiple reboots and dependency delays, which speeds overall. You complete the process by ensuring changes stick and recovering normal operation. Reboot twice after installation, because some components finalize on the second boot. Then check update history to confirm success. Make sure to re-enable antivirus, reconnect VPNs and peripherals, and restore sleep settings. If an update hangs or fails repeatedly, use Windows Update Reset commands or System Restore to return to a working state, then retry. This troubleshooting prevents broken updates from consuming more time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.